Swagbucks progress disappearing after a reinstall usually happens because your account data is stored on the server, but your app session, cache, or login state gets reset during the reinstall, making it look like your earnings are gone even when they are not. By the end of this, you'll know why progress disappears, how to recover your missing activity, and what steps prevent it from happening again after reinstalling the app. The first thing to understand is that Swagbucks does not store progress only on your device. Your earnings, points, and account history are tied to your login account on their servers. That means reinstalling the app does not delete your actual balance, but it can break the connection between your device and your account temporarily. Start by logging out completely and logging back in using the same email or username you originally used. A lot of missing progress cases are just users accidentally signing into a different account or a secondary email without realizing it. Next, check your account directly on the Swagbucks website instead of the app. The website version is often more stable after a reinstall, and it will show your real SB balance even if the app is not syncing properly. If your balance still looks missing, clear your app cache or reinstall again, but make sure you restart your phone before logging in. This helps reset any leftover session data that can interfere with syncing. Another important step is to check if you are on the correct region version of Swagbucks. If you reinstall while connected to a different network or location, the app may default to a different regional server, which can make your account appear empty or reset. Avoid creating a new account during this process. That is one of the most common mistakes, and it can permanently split your progress between accounts or trigger duplicate account flags. If nothing updates after a clean login, the final step is to contact Swagbucks support. Include your registered email and explain that your progress is not syncing after reinstalling the app. Support can manually refresh your account session if needed. In most cases, no actual earnings are lost. It is almost always a sync issue between the app and your account session after reinstall. The key points are simple. Your progress is tied to your account, not your device. Reinstalling can break login sync ayat, and logging back incorrectly usually restores everything. Your next step is to log out, reinstall only if needed, and sign back in using the original email. Then check your balance on the website to confirm your real progress. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for Swagbucks and reward apps.